this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play GTA 5 without cloud gaming. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about all of the options that you have to play GTA 5 without using a cloud gaming service such as xCloud. So, in order to play GTA 5 without cloud gaming, you will have to purchase it in one of the official platforms. So if you go over to the website, you can purchase either GTA Online or GTA 5, which includes both the story mode and GTA Online. If you want to purchase GTA Online standalone, so this will not include story mode, you can purchase it for PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X or S. So you will be redirected into their respective stores to acquire the game. And if you choose to purchase the bundle that includes both Story Mode and GTA Online, you will have the same platform, so PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X or S, but you will also have PlayStation 4, Xbox One, and PC. So this is how it looks on all of the available stores. So you have GTA 5 Enhanced on Steam. You will see the price displayed here in your local currency. The other option for PC is purchasing it directly through the Rockstar Games store. There's no real difference, so just pick whichever one is currently on sale or cheaper. And then finally, you will have it available on Xbox, so through the Microsoft Store and the PlayStation Store, which you can access on your console. If you purchase the game on old gen, you can upgrade it to new gen consoles such as PlayStation 5 or Xbox Series X or S, and these versions of the game will run natively on the console. So you need to purchase the game and then run it if you want to play without cloud gaming. If you don't, or you cannot purchase these games and you don't have access to cloud gaming at all, then sadly it is indeed impossible to play. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us from the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.